everyone. Today we are interviewing Ms. Sai Lakshmi Pujita, who has secured AIR 10 in Aerospace Gate 2021 exam. So I will begin by introducing myself. I am Megha Bhardwaj and I secured AIR 2 in 2008 Aerospace exam. Currently, I'm a second year MTech student at Indian Institute of Science. So first of all, hearty congratulations to you, Lakshmi. IGC is extremely proud of your achievement. So, could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Pujita. I'm from Hyderabad. I did my aerospace engineering in Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham in Coimbatore. From my childhood, I'm very interested in aerospace. So I have finally decided to do my engineering in aerospace industry.
Okay. So, how are you feeling after securing AIR 10?
Yeah, actually, I'm very happy. A little bit shocked also. I didn't expect this rank. It was one of my memorable moment in my life. So I just wanted to say, like, if you plan it properly and implement the plan properly and put efforts and do hard work, you can achieve anything. So that is what I wanted to say.
Great. So, what is your gate score and marks out of 100?
My GATE score was 825 out of 1000 and I secured my marks 61.33 out of 100.
That's very good marks. So, what
Yeah.
was your reason to appear for GATE 2021? Have you taken GATE exams before, or was this your first attempt?
Actually, I'm a pass out student from 2020. I attempted GATE last year also, but unfortunately, I couldn't crack the exam. I prepared only for 15 to 20 days. I didn't concentrate last year because of my project, final year project and all. So this year I have decided to write GATE 2021. So I have approached IGC.
Okay, so when did you decide to start your preparation, and what made you take coaching? Like, how did you come to know about IGC?
I actually decided in the month of September, before onwards, like I have started GATE preparation, but it was not consistent. From September, I have started properly, like studying properly. I got to know about IGC through my friend. He secured AIR 1 last year in 2020, Bharat Kumar. So he suggested me IGC because he heard about IGC. It was a good institute for GATE preparation. So at that time, I called Dinesh sir and I have asked all the details, and then I joined IGC for my GATE preparation, for GATE coaching.
Oh, okay. So, how did IGC help you in achieving your goal?
Yeah, actually, IGC helped me a lot in achieving this rank through study material, assignments, mock tests. In IGC, there are like subject-wise mock tests and final mock tests, like including all the subjects and whole portion. So first, when it comes to the coaching, they have given a very good GATE coaching and very good teaching, and even in between the teaching sessions, they used to tell us the tips like how we have to crack GATE exam easily and how we have to attempt questions in a proper way and in efficient manner. And even assignments were helpful and it was good, and especially when it comes to the doubt session, they patiently cleared all my doubts. They will schedule doubt sessions after completing portion. After completing a particular portion, they will schedule a doubt session. So in the doubt sessions, you can clarify all the doubts. You'll get a proper time for clarifying all your doubts. And when comes to the test series, they will have a subject-wise test series where you can get an idea like in which concept you are good and which concept you are weak. And final test mock test series helped me a lot, like the final test series where I have learned so much. and where you can easily see in which areas you are good and which subjects you are bad and which concepts you are making silly mistakes and all. So in that way, IGC helped me a lot.
Yeah, you mentioned about doubts clearing. Even I remember there's WhatsApp group also, and
Yeah,
everyone is so enthusiastic to answer their whatever question you ask at
yeah,
WhatsApp time. So I
yeah.
like that about IDC.
Even I actually liked about IGC. Whenever we get time, we can actually ask doubts, and it is very flexible.
Yes, yes. Okay, so apart from the coaching, how did you prepare for the GATE exam? What was your studying strategy?
According to me, for GATE, three things are very important. First, making short notes. Second, attempting mock tests, especially the mock tests which consists of all subjects, final mock tests. And third thing, analyzation. So first thing, when you do a short notes of all the concepts, you can revise the formula whenever you want. And you have to revise the formula each and every day because you'll be keep on forgetting them easily. So when you make a short notes, it will be very helpful. And the second thing is mock tests where you can see, as I mentioned before, you can see the graph of all the mock tests where in which area you are strong and which area you are weak. And Karthik sir, you know about Karthik sir, right? Who took maths and aptitude. He suggested one point which was very helpful for me. He told weak subjects you prepare superficial, but strong subjects you make more stronger, so that it will be helpful in GATE exam. Strong subjects you can attempt all the questions, where weak subjects you can, if you prepare superficial, at least you can attempt few questions. So it was helpful in that. And analyzation is the most important thing, like avoiding silly mistakes, especially even though I ended up doing silly mistakes in the final exam, but it reduced while doing the mock test day, each mock test. I kept on reducing my silly mistakes. So that is what my strategy.
Yes, yes. Practice makes perfect, and we have to work on our strengths, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, which books did you refer to for this?
For aerodynamics, I referred Anderson, and for gas dynamics and for thermodynamics and all, I referred modern compressible fluid flow by Anderson only. And for flight dynamics and flight mechanics, I referred Nelson. And for structures, I referred C.T. Sun and Mixon. And for propulsion, I just referred the class notes, when I listened to the lectures and my college notes. That was enough for propulsion.
Okay, I think there's a space mechanics subject also, right?
Yeah, yeah. Spaceflight mechanics.
What did you refer for that?
Yeah, spaceflight mechanics. Dinesh sir has took for us for that subject, and his teaching was quite enough for me. I didn't refer spaceflight mechanics textbook. Those formulas were actually good enough, so I never didn't refer any book for that.
The notes, right?
Yeah, notes.
Great. Okay, so what was the toughest aspect of your GATE preparation?
Toughest aspect of the GATE preparation is like I'm very weak in flight dynamics, so it actually was the toughest thing, and mainly self confidence. You will preparation will be like ups and downs where you will lose confidence in some time. So it was difficult for building up my confidence, and IGC helped me even that also. Like when I speak with Dinesh sir, he used to motivate and he used to tell eventually hard work will help you for getting a good rank. So like that, even IGC helped in that way. So yeah, this was my toughest thing in GATE preparation.
Okay, so what did you do to de-stress, to unwind? How did you schedule your time throughout the day when you didn't want feel like studying or something like that?
Yeah, morning, morning at 7 o'clock, I used to start my gate preparation, and till 9 o'clock, I used to study. And then I used to have my breakfast, and then I used to give some time for relaxation. Like I used to watch YouTube videos and movies like that for some time. And then afternoon, again, I used to study for 2 hours, 3 hours, and then I had lunch, and then seeing some videos and all. And then evening again I used to study. So I used to give some time in between for for seeing videos and for relaxation. So I used to manage like that.
Yeah. It also depends on person to person, right? How
Yeah,
they de-stress, because we
yeah,
don't want to lose our focus also. And if
yeah.
you're good at it, then you can continue.
It's actually a very toughest task to focus and concentrate all the time. So when you divert your mind for some time, you can easily do your work efficiently in the next cycle. So yeah.
Yes, yes. So, being connected to IGC myself, I know that IGC offers much more than just coaching. So, could you please share how IGC has helped you with your overall development as an aerospace engineer?
Actually, through this rank, I got a very good self-satisfaction, and I improved my confidence much more. And it's actually developed. I used to think in a different way while I'm preparing and all. So, and even IGC, even after the gate preparation, they will conduct post guide sessions, like post gate sessions for giving all the idea about opportunities after gate, like PSUs and all in industry side. And people who are in IGC, they are much more experienced. So they used to share their experiences, like in IITs, like after IIT, like what are the job opportunities like that. So it was helpful in that way. Not only the coaching, even in that way, IGC helped me.
Yeah, even IGC has people that are like both they have both academic and industrial credentials, right?
Yeah. So that's what
So yeah, continue.
uh, industrial. I got an idea, like they used to tell us like what are the opportunities when through gate, like PSUs and all. What are the opportunities, and then even when you do your MTech, how you will get the opportunity, like good jobs, and where will you get good jobs and also in that way it will help, it will be helpful.
So, what are your future plans, Lakshmi?
My future plans, like doing MTech and then getting a good job and settling it. So that is of my future plan.
That's great. So last but not the least, what is your advice to the GATE aspirants of 2022 and beyond?
Yeah, my advice is like whatever the hard work you put, it won't get wasted. So the efforts you put and the hard work you do will eventually you can reach your goal very easily. And people will have this myth like gate is very tough. Yeah, actually it is tough, but when you plan it properly and implement it properly, you can achieve anything. So that is what my advice is, like planning and doing hard work and smart work simultaneously. So that is my advice to the future people who are writing it.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. And I, on behalf of IGC team, congratulate you once again and wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much. Even I want to congratulate whole IGC team for their good efforts. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.